Hello and welcome back to Sketch Capital. Most people think retiring in 10 years starting from $0 is a fantasy, but the math doesn't lie. It's not about how hard you work, it's about how hard your money sketches your future. Today, we're drawing the exact roadmap to $1 million portfolio using only 3 specific Fidelity index funds. In the next few minutes, we're going to see where every single dollar goes. This is the 10-year sprint. Make sure to like and subscribe to join our mission for financial freedom. Look, $1 million is the universal retirement number, but when you only have 10 years, the standard advice fails. Buying the whole market and waiting 30 years is the turtle's game. When you're short on time, you need the bulldozer. Time is your most expensive asset. To hit $1 million in a decade, we can't just hope for 7% returns. We need an engine that produces double digits consistently. We're using the visual DCF framework to find that alpha. This isn't just investing, it's a 10-year financial operation. Every dollar is a soldier in this fight for freedom. We are using 3 specific Fidelity funds. Each serves a specific purpose in our visual anatomy of wealth. First, the foundation, FXAIX, the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. This is the body of your portfolio. It's the S&P 500, stable, essential, and broad. It gives us a slice of the 500 largest companies in the US. With an expense ratio that is practically zero, it's the most efficient way to capture the heart of the American economy. While tech is the star, FXAIX provides the necessary weight in sectors like healthcare and finance to keep the ship upright during market rotations. When you buy FXAIX, you're owning the giants. Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia are the bedrock of this fund, providing the stability we need for the long sprint. Second, the bridge, FNCMX, the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite. This is the muscles of the operation. It tilts heavily toward tech and growth. It swings harder than the S&P 500, but it carries the weight of innovation. We use this bridge to accelerate our climb. It provides the growth tilt needed to squeeze more out of each year. By adding the Nasdaq Composite, we're effectively doubling down on the top performers while maintaining a broader tech exposure than just semiconductors alone. Third, the engine, FSELX, Fidelity Select Semiconductors. This is the brain and the core power source. This fund cares about one thing, the chips powering AI and the hardware of the future. It's highly specialized. Over the last decade, it's averaged over 20% annually. It's the only reason a 10-year plan actually works. Think of it as the turbocharger. It brings high risk, but without this kind of growth, $1 million is out of reach. FSELX isn't just a stock pick, it's a bet on the physical infrastructure of the digital age. Without these chips, nothing else in this portfolio moves. FSELX can drop 30% in a single month. It is volatile. If you can't stomach that kind of movement without selling, you shouldn't be in the bulldozer. To maximize this 10-year sprint, you must consider the tax drag. Using a Roth IRA or a 401k can save you hundreds of thousands in capital gains. A 20% tax on your growth could push your retirement date back by years. Shielding your engine is as important as building it. If this visual breakdown is helping the math make sense, hit that subscribe button. We sketch a new path every week. On this channel, we believe you should see your money, not just hear about it. Join us as we sketch the future. Now, let's look at the numbers. To hit $1 million in just 10 years, we have to be extremely aggressive. The visual DCF model isn't just a fancy name. We are discounting the future value of your freedom against the current cost of your discipline. We are going 50% into FSELX. This is a concentrated bet on the most important sector of the next decade. 35% goes into FNCMX and the final 15% into FXAIX. This is your engine. The daily contribution, $120 a day, that is $3,650 a month. I know, that's a huge number. But remember, this is for the high-income earner or the extreme saver. In Phase 1, years 1 through 3, you are doing all the work. It's a grind of pure discipline. By year 3, you've put in over 100,000 and the market is just starting to wake up. In Phase 2, years 4 through 7, we hit the inflection point. This is where the magic happens. By year 7, you've crossed the $500,000 mark. Your growth is now matching your annual contributions. In Phase 3, the final sprint, years 8 through 10 are when the bulldozer finally hits full speed. Year 10, $1,083,000. You've crossed the finish line in a single decade. Think about that. You contributed $438,000, but the market gave you $645,000. The market becomes the wind in the sails. In those final years, the market does more work than you do. Some of you will ask, why not Vanguard? While Vanguard is excellent, Fidelity's zero-fee funds give us a slight edge. Every basis point counts when you are on a 10-year deadline. In this sprint, we want zero friction. But here is the critical warning. This plan isn't for everyone. It requires a high tolerance for pain. Because we are 50% in semiconductors, if that sector crashes, your retirement date moves backward. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it portfolio for the faint of heart. You are paying a volatility tax for speed. You have to decide, do you want the safety of the castle or the raw power of the bulldozer? Time is the trade-off. If $120 a day is too much, don't quit. Pivot to the $50 a day plan. It takes 20 years instead of 10, but the destination is the same. The math still works, just at a different tempo. On the 20-year track, we dial back the semiconductors and lean more on the S&P 500 for stability. An $80 a day contribution is the middle path. It gets you to the million in 15 years, balancing aggressive growth with a more manageable daily cost. The biggest risk isn't the market, it's you. Can you keep sketching when the lines get messy? Discipline is the ink in your pen. Without it, the roadmap is just a piece of paper. You must stay the course. To recap, build your foundation, cross the bridge of innovation, and ignite the semiconductor engine. 10 years of aggressive saving and targeted growth. That is the blueprint for financial freedom. Retiring in 10 years is a choice between spending your time or spending your money. The choice is yours. The longer you wait, the more it costs you. Start your sketch today. Don't let another year slip by. Because remember, on this channel, we believe in the data because at the end of the day, the math doesn't lie. Thank you for your time. I hope this was valuable for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data-driven sketches. I'll see you in the next one.